Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connectivity. This saves time. First, check the vehicle battery is ~12V and the tracker fuse is not blown. Once done, unplug and reset the tracker connector to rule out loose contacts. Next, inspect the SIM card. Make sure the PIN is disabled, the plan is active, and the SIM fits the slot. While you do this, keep a multimeter and screwdriver at hand. They'll speed up the next steps. Now you perform diagnostics to find the fault. Use the multimeter to measure V+ and ground at the device. Abnormal voltages indicate wiring issues. Then check the tracker's LED codes and connect to its serial port or app to read logs, because logs show registration and GPS fix attempts. If the device fails to register, update the APN and server IP/port and confirm the IMEI matches carrier records. These steps isolate hardware from configuration failures and get you closer to a working fix. Finish by repairing any identified hardware faults and validating operation. Replace corroded connectors or fuses and splice or replace damaged harness sections because solid power and ground are essential for GPS reception. Once repaired, power the unit and allow 5-10 minutes for a satellite fix. Then confirm live location updates in the app. If everything passes, write down the IMEI and firmware and schedule a check. Troubleshooting tip. If no GPS fix, try a known good tracker in the vehicle to isolate antenna or module failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.